Today I'll be replacing the air intake filter in my 2022 Ford Bronco. I have the 2.7 liter V6 engine, but this applies to the 2.3 liter as well. The tools I'll be using are an impact gun, T30 Torx bit, and a torque wrench with a 1/4 inch socket to fit the Torx bit. The replacement filter is a K&N KNE-0634. I'll leave a link to it in the description. The air filter is inside this housing, which is held together by 4 T30 Torx bits. Loosen all of them, no need to remove all the way, and slide the top cover out of the way. The filter just slides out, it's not held by clamps or anything. This is pretty dirty. I'm sure I've been getting robbed of at least
500 horsepower
and 2,000 miles per gallon. This is a good opportunity to take a rag and clean up any dust or debris that's inside the housing. Slide the filter in by hinging it on this pivot point and replace the cover. Tighten the 4 bolts gently, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to 2.8 Newton meters or 25 inch-pounds. With this, I'm back to doing 0 to 60s in 2 seconds flat and winning Le Mans by driving backwards. Until next time, thank you for watching.